Oh my God, guys, look at the sand. So it's black. That's why the water looks so dark. But look at that beautiful sunset. Wow. Earlier the water was more over here though. But look at this. This is dope. Hey guys, this is a new day.
On a fucking beach. Look at the nigga shirt. On a fucking beach.
Look at how dirty we are. We're ATVing today. I'm sorry, I couldn't. This morning, I totally forgot to even record us when we first woke up. But we're ATVing right now. We're about to get some food. Dang, I'm dirty, my God. But look at the scenery. Oh my God, look. Wow. But yeah, so we're about to eat some food, and then once we're done with ATV, we're going to get back to you. But definitely for sure, I'm going to get a video of us on the ATV so that you guys can see what it was like. And guys, let me tell you something. I think I'm going to make a story time of this, but it's not really too long. So I almost got bit by a dog just now. Bro, this little dog pulled up on me and freaking tried to attack me. But it's okay though, because guess what? The owner got him for that. But it's okay. I'm gonna make a little story time about that. Maybe my second video or our second video when we come back, and we can tell you about how our experience was, how everything was, and just update y'all on how Costa Rica is during COVID. But yeah, so we're gonna get back to you as soon as we're done. And yeah, later. Yeah, don't mind us. We are like extra dirty. But with that being said, we're gonna get back to y'all later. So yeah, we just finished coming from ATV. Oh my God, we're super dirty right now. But look at him. He don't got on no shirt, no nothing. How you feel? How was the ATV? It was Gucci?
Bro, that was the best ATV I ever went on my life.
We had so much fun. Alright, so my sis fell.
I busted my ass on the ATV.
You okay?
I was on the side of the road, struggling.
Oh my God.
Crying.
Guess what? Guess what? We made it though. We made it, and it was fucking fun.
Nah, I was okay. I'm just joking. I'm being dramatic. I fell though, but I'm okay.
Nah, these are mad full.
We were good.
They taste good? How much
right now, we on the side of the road, and we're getting like some quinepa.
Bite it in half.
So we're gonna get back to you as soon as we're done. Hey guys, so we're at the hot springs. We just finished doing a mud bath. How was it, babe? It was good?
I was home.
Well, we're in a 104 degrees pool right now. And it's actually pretty lit. Look at us.
Where did y'all go?
It's litty. Good morning, loves. It's your girl Neek. Nate is actually getting some drone footage for today. Today we're gonna head out to go get breakfast soon. We just woke up not too long ago, so kind of so tired. Sorry if my voice is a little scratchy. The girl was screaming a lot last night, especially on the excursions that we did. But definitely stay tuned for that. We got some footage coming for you today. We're about to go get some breakfast, I think, like I said. And then we may rent some go-karts. We gotta go figure out the situation with our COVID test because I think we were supposed to get it 72 hours in advance. I don't really know. But we were supposed to get it at least 3 days in advance, I believe. I really don't know. That was coming from the city, but yeah, we have to do that. And then basically it's gonna be a chill day. Rent some go-karts, go around, probably get some lunch and dinner outside today. But yeah, so I'll definitely get back to you soon.
Golf course.
We're on the golf course again.
Oh, flipping that bad boy.
We outside. Oh shit. We outside. Hey guys, so we are at the Diamante Adventure Park. Yep. We about to do the Discovery Pass, which is basically like a safari. And yeah, I definitely got a story time coming for you because some crazy shit just happened.
Beer buns.
Like, why? Whatever, we're not even gonna get into that. But yeah, today we're doing this, then we're gonna go to some waterfalls, and then, what else?
Hopefully get to the waterfall.
Yeah, hopefully, because it's 2 hours away still. And then chill. Because we leave tomorrow. But we're definitely going to turn up tonight, though. Yep. So.
Yeah. I'll smack last night. Real smack.
about to head back to the city. It has been a great time here in Costa Rica.
Costa Rica, great
It's
trip.
been lit. We had a few ups and downs, but you know, I'm gonna put y'all on about
up's
that.
definitely upside down.
Yeah, for sure. What was your favorite part?
River tubing,
That was lit.
ATV was a movie. If you was there, then you was there. If you know, you know.
But now we definitely got great footage coming for you guys. And I hope you just stay tuned and just watch our vlogs that we got coming up. We have some like great videos coming up for you guys. But yeah, with that being said, you know, we're just waiting now for our airplane to board. I think we board in like, we're about to board right now. All right, guys, we'll see you when we get back. Hey guys, so we just touched down back in the city. So we had an amazing time, I'm not gonna lie. That vacation was much needed.
That shit was fun. Few little tiny hiccups, but overall,
It was a blast.
Nice experience. Food, I'm gonna keep it a buck. Food there wasn't nothing to brag about. Past 3 trips we went out, Jamaica, Mexico, Costa Rica. Jamaica was by far. I mean, I guess it's biased because I'm Jamaican and shit like that, but by far, none of these other countries even compare close to it. Mexico was fake. I kind of made it like 6, but Costa Rica was just like
That shit was dirt.
I'm not gonna say it was dirt, but it wasn't nothing that like I went to sleep like, oh yeah, I had a great meal every night. Like, nah, it wasn't.
It was a couple of nights my stomach was still hurting after, but I do agree with you too, babe. Jamaica was by far the best food we've ever had. With that being said, I hope you enjoy this vlog. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And my Instagram is unique, y.uneek. And what's your Instagram, babe?
It's Neek.PAPA.
So make sure you add us on Instagram.
Now we about to go get some real food.
Yeah.
So where we heading? Laro's?
Yeah, we're going to get a sandwich from Laro's. If you're in Brooklyn, if you're from New York City, make sure you go to Farmer's Deli in Brooklyn. It's on Myrtle Avenue, I believe. I don't know the whole street, but it's called Farmer's Deli. They make the best sandwich in Brooklyn, in New York City. And that's just period, point blank. But with that being said, we hope you guys enjoy this vlog.
Yep.
We love you guys. Peace.
Adios.
Later.